7:45 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hazel to near Monticello to near Haynesville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockland, Fallsburg, Monticello, Liberty, Bethel, Neversink, South Fallsburg, Shahala, Matamoros, and Woodsboro. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Pennsylvania and Southern New York.